Hello friends and welcome to another magical adventure. Matt here along with my sister Jessica.
Hello.
And while we can't get to the Magic Kingdom for a while, we like to bring the Magic Kingdom right here into our home. So we're going to make some Disney food at home today. What are we making today, Jessica?
Today we're making Cheshire Cat Tails.
Alright, we're going to make the Cheshire Cat Tail located at the Cheshire Cat Cafe in Fantasyland at the Magic Kingdom. So let's get started. Rainy adventure here at Epcot. How you doing back there? It's so cold.
It's literally 90 degrees out today, and it was the worst day to do this. Literally, it's been like raining and cold, and
all right, so we have all our ingredients out here, and all our stuff that we need, along with our recipe right here. And we will post the recipe in the description for you guys so you can make it at home. And Jessica, what are you trying to do now?
Open the pastry.
All right.
I don't know how to do this, clearly. This is a mess.
Alright, so what's our first step to make our Cheshire Cat Tail?
We are going to take our pastry and we're going to put it out on this lined baking sheet.
Alright.
Alright, and then we're going to take one bag of chocolate chips. We're going to put it on top of our pastry. Mmm, yummy. Just spread it on top.
Like that.
Yeah.
Nice.
Spread it on
the whole
top.
bag? You stumped the whole bag?
Yep, that's it.
Wow.
It's that easy.
It's that easy.
Okay.
This is a nice way to bring the magic of Disney into your home, especially while the parks are closed.
Yep. And then we're going to take our second pastry and we're going to put it on top of this one.
All right.
Now let's see if I could open it this time. Probably not.
There you go. Practice makes perfect.
That's right.
Alright, so now we've got our chocolate chips and crescent roll down. What's the next thing to do?
So now we're going to cut this into 6 pieces. So you could use a pizza cutter, a knife, doesn't matter.
Oh, oven's preheated.
There we go. Alright.
Alright, use a pizza cutter.
We're going to carefully cut this.
All right, yes, very carefully. Remember, safety is very important, guys. So when you're making this at home, make sure to be safe. Alright, getting in there with that pizza cutter. We're cutting it into 6 pieces. So is this each of the tails?
It's 2 of the tails. Can you cut them in half?
Oh, okay.
Maybe.
Interesting. Alright, so now we have all 6 or 5 in this case of our sliced cat tails. What's the next step?
So now it's time to twist them. So you hold down one side, then you just twist it and hope for the best.
Oh.
They're falling apart a little bit, it's okay.
This part takes a lot of skill and a lot of practice. So if your cat tail's not perfect, don't worry. Ours certainly isn't.
Nope. I'm just gonna put some chocolate chips where there's not any. Then we're gonna move on to the next one.
All right, just a tip for you guys. The bigger pieces are a lot easier to twist for us. So the bigger you cut your cat tails, the easier they'll be to twist. So like these in the middle were a little thinner, so they're a little tougher to twist. Where there's the two on the end were a little thicker, they were definitely a lot easier to twist. All right, so what's our next step? Now that we twisted our tail.
So we're gonna take 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
And crack them in a bowl.
All right.
I'm gonna try not to be messy.
Good way to get your frustrations out.
Mm-hmm. First the garbage. And then we're gonna whisk them together.
All right, we're gonna whisk those up.
And then we're gonna take a pastry brush or something similar, and we're gonna brush the cat tails with the egg wash, like so.
Interesting. It's behind the scenes magic for you guys.
Yes.
All right, paint that right on like so. All right.
So next step is to put them in the oven.
All right.
I'm gonna try not to drop
it. Make sure you guys are being safe putting it in the oven as well. Make sure you wear those gloves.
Okay. So it goes.
Your oven, by the way, will be preheated to
395 for 30 to 35 minutes. Watch out. It's very hot, so be careful.
There they go. Bye, Tails. Alright, so you're gonna put those on for 30 to 35 minutes.
That's not 30 to 35 minutes.
Nope, that's a lot more than 30 to 35 minutes.
There we go, perfect.
Alright, so we put on for 30 minutes, and now we just wait 30 minutes.
No.
No, we don't. There's another step. Oh no! The paintbrush, the egg paintbrush.
Okay, next step is to make our icings into the cat colors.
Oh.
Okay.
So this is fun. You guys do something while you wait.
Yes. So we have softened butter here. This is 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna distribute them evenly into 2 bowls of icing. See, this seems about even, hopefully. Okay. And then we're gonna mix that together.
Alright, so you're gonna mix up here. What did you say was in this again? Salt and butter?
No, it is just icing and butter for now.
Icing and butter, just icing and butter. So you put your icing and butter and you mix that up nice.
Yep.
Now, what's the point of the butter and the...
It helps it be more like thin as like a nice pastry icing.
Oh, cool. Interesting. See, I did not know this. So that's really cool. Alright, cool. So now look at how these turned out.
Those are beautiful.
Looks like pastry icing. That's what it's supposed to look like.
Mostly, yeah.
Alright, what's our next step?
So next we're gonna take some milk, so the half of a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon?
Yes. In
a teaspoon of milk.
In each bowl, each gets a half of a teaspoon. So that would be this one of milk. We have to be very careful because the milk's very heavy. Perfect.
Alright.
Put that in each one. And then mix it all together.
Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. Alright, after the milk, what's our next step?
Okay. So we have to mix these up first is our next step, which I forgot to do. That's okay.
Alright, so after you put the milk in, you mix it again?
Yeah.
Alright. Whoa.
It looks all mixed on that side, so I think we're ready. So our next step is to make these pink and purple. So we're going to start with red to try and make it pink. I don't know how it's going to work out.
So we're going to use red food coloring to make it pink.
drip and see if we can make it pink.
Okay.
I don't know if this is going to turn out red, but I guess we'll see what happens.
All right, let's see. Okay.
Just gonna mix
See a
it.
pinky color.
I think I might need 1 drop more, just so it's that hot Cheshire Cat pink.
Yep. Wow, that's so cool. It's like magic.
Perfect. Okay. And now in this one, we're gonna mix blue and red together to make purple. Let's just try 2 of each and see how that goes, and then we'll fix it if it needs some help. Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, that's so cool. Nice.
And there we go.
Nice. All right, so we got our purple and pink icing for when our tails are ready. All right, what do we do next?
Nothing.
Nothing, we wait.
Yes.
All right, cool.
We
So now
wait
you're gonna
for-
wait. We have about
24 more minutes left.
24 minutes left on the tails, and once they're done, then we'll show you what the next step is.
Yep.
Somebody heard that we're making Cheshire Cat Tails, and he came to see if they're ready. All right, time to take our cat tails out of the oven. 30 minutes is up. All right, let's see what we got.
Let's see.
Ooh. All right. Again, safety. Very important. All right, put that on the top. Nice. They came out pretty nice.
Yeah.
All right. Close that oven there. And we're going to ice our cat tail on the stove. So we got our purple icing. Jessica will ice the first one. See how it's done. Let's see. Oh, so let's see. She's gonna drizzle it. Oh, how cool is that? Nice. All right. Wow.
And then the other icing.
All right. I do the pink.
Yep. Oh, it's a big glob. That's okay.
Hey, the more the better.
Exciting. I feel like we're in fantasy land.
Woohoo!
All right, how'd that come out, Jessica?
Right? Let's see.
Here we go.
It's so good. It's so sweet.
Chocolatey, delicious, and beautiful too. Thumbs up.
These are awesome.
I gotta
they?
try a
I
piece.
think we are in fantasy land.
Aren't these awesome? Aren't these are terrific?
These came out really good.
So good.
Give a lot of compliments
thumbs
to
up.
Jessica. She did a good
Compliment to
job.
the chef. Woohoo!
Yes, us.
Well,
Really
we
good.
never can't be in Disney, but I feel like Disney came to us.
Good enough.
All right.
Almost. Almost. It's a nice little Disney fix.
Yeah.
Something you could do at home. Remember, recipes in the description down below.
Very
So
easy to
enjoy.
make.
Very easy to make.
Yeah.
Remember, the big slices twist better.
Yeah.
So, till our next magical adventure, see you real soon.
Bye.
Hey there, guys. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Mickey and I have some great news for you. Take it away, Mickey. We got more adventures for you. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can join us on all of our adventures. Until our next magical adventure, see you real soon!